In a quiet town surrounded by snowy hills and roses trees, there was an old house with a tiny attic. In that attic lived boxes of forgetting things. Things people had once loved and then left behind. One Christmas ribbons, crushed gift box, broken ornaments, wrinkled paper, and tiny bells that no longer jingled. No one had visited that attic in years, until one winter, just before Christmas, a little boy named Noah climbed up at the creaky wooden stairs. Noah's family had been sad that year. They had moved from their old home and money was tight. There was no new Christmas tree, no colorful decoration. Noah just wanted to help bring happiness back. So, when he reached the attic, he whispered, Noah, there must be something here, something we can make special again. He opened the dusty box and cut name a swirl of memories. Old moments, missing hooks, ribbon tangled like spaghetti, and the paper torn on the edges at the edges. The most they were used, but Noah did not see the trash. He saw hope. The Christmas workshop begins. He rushed downstairs. Noah, Mom, look what I found. Maybe we can fix them. His mom smiled, tired but warm. Mom says, Yes, sweetheart, we can try. So their kitchen table turned into a Christmas workshop. They cut shapes from old cardboard boxes. They wrapped them in colorful paper from last year's gifts. They printed pine cones with leftover school paint. They glued tiny bells into ribbons to make garland that shimmered softly. The room filled with laughter and the cozy smell of glue and cinnamon biscuits baking in the oven. Even though they had very little, their hearts felt full. On Christmas evening, Noah and his mother went to the cycle backyard. They saw a small pine tree, not a store-bought, not at all, not perfect, just a simple tree growing quietly in the snow. Noah touched its branches gently. Noah, this tree has been waiting for us. They decorated it with their handmade treasures. A cardboard star that shimmered with gold paint, pine cones that sparkled like tiny snowflakes, ribbons that danced in the cold winter breeze. It was not the biggest Xmas tree, but it was a tree made with love, and love makes everything shine. The glowing tree stood outside their little house, glowing softly under the moonlight. One by one, neighbors walked by and stopped. Neighbor, where did you get such beautiful decorations? Neighbor 2, this looks special. Handmade? Neighbor 3, this tree has a story, I can feel it. Noah explained. Noah, everything here was old, things people forget. But I think everything deserves another chance, just like Xmas gives us a chance to remember love again. A gentle silence fell, the kind of silence where hearts understand each other. The next day, the entire neighborhood began gathering old items from their homes. Buttons, broken beads, old sweaters, empty jars, magazine papers, bottle caps, and together they created new creation. People talked, people laughed, families reconnected, children learned the value of making, not just buying. The whole street sparkled, not with expensive lights, but with creativity, unity, and love. And so the Christmas became known as the Christmas of the Attic Workshop. People from that day on, every year, instead of buying new things, people opened old boxes, revisited forgotten items, and brought them back to life. They learned something precious. You don't need more. You just need to see beauty in what you already have. Noah looked at a small pine tree outside his house glowing gently, and it looked back as if to say, "Thank you for believing second chance. Thank you, be a part of this journey." So what do you feel about that? This story is powerful. If you like the video, if you like to want to watch more designs like this and more ideas like this, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And I wish your home fulfilled with love, creativity, happiness, togetherness, get together, and many more creativity. Spread happiness. Whatever you have, express easiest things. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Wishing you a very happy, good festival. Stay blessed. In a quiet town surrounded by snowy